Okay, make it Monday. Here we go. Making some homemade Play-Doh. In the bowl, I have half a cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 tablespoon of canola oil, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Over here, obviously some boiling water. I'm going to turn that off because it is good and going. I only need 1/4 cup of this boiling water, so let me measure that out. Okay, it looks like I got it. Sorry for the slow pour, I just didn't want to... Okay, it's going right in the bowl. Alright, I'm going to stir that up, see how my dough comes together, and obviously, fingers crossed, it'll be a good Play-Doh for the kids. You can double, triple the recipe, of course, and don't let them play with it until it comes to a safe temperature. Okay, so it's just a minute later, and we are playing with our homemade Play-Doh. It does feel a little sticky, maybe. So I'm thinking maybe just a teeny bit more flour, but I'm going to have Nate here work at it just to see if we can get it to the right thing. But honestly, it cools down super quick. I was surprised that I could touch it with my hands within a minute of adding the boiling water.